Okay, so now let's look at question number 12, part A of Combined Mathematics 2024 A-level paper. Right. So the first part is from combinations and permutations. So they have told us parents of a family decide to invite 6 out of 50 of their close relatives for a dinner, while the father has 5 close female relatives and 3 close male relatives. So let's write that down. Father has 5 female relatives and 3 male relatives, and the mother has 3 close female and 4 close male relatives. So mother 3 female and 4 male, right? Okay, then what do they ask us to find? Find the number of different ways in which father can invite 3 of his close female friends or relatives, and mother can invite 3 of her close male relatives, right? So they invite 6. So now in this instant, father has to invite 3 female relatives and mother has to invite 3 male relatives, right? So father can father invites how many? 3 females. How many ways can father invite 3 females? He knows 5, so that is 5C3. He has to pick 3 of them. So that is what? 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So that is 5 times 4 over 2. So father can invite 3 females in 10 ways. Right. Then the mother has to invite how many? 3 male relatives. So mother invites 3 male. So mother knows 4 male relatives. So out of those 4, she has to invite 3 of them. So that is 4C3 or just 4, right? So then the number of possible ways this scenario can happen is what? 10 times 4. Father invites 3 females, 10. Mother invites 3 male, that is 4 ways. So the total possibilities is 10 times 4. Right. So total number of ways is then 10 into 4, 40 possibilities. Right. So that is the first part. Then the second part is what? So the father can invite 3 of his close relatives and mother can also invite 3 of her close relatives, so that 3 males and 3 females are invited. So together they have to have 3 males and 3 females, and each person has to invite 3 people, right? So there are several possibilities, so we will write all those ways, right? So let's see. So let's do father and here mother, right? So let's write down number of ways. So first possible way is father invites 3 females, then he can't invite any males, and then mother has to invite how many? She can't invite 0, she can't invite females because already 3 females are invited, so she has to invite 3 males. So then 6 guests are there, right? So that is the first possible way. Then next one is what? For father to invite 2 females and one male, then mother has to invite one female and two males. Then you see the pattern, no? You can guess the next two. Father invites one female and two males. Mother invites two female, one male. Father invites zero females and three males. Mother invites three females and zero male. Right. So those are the only possible ways you can invite six people with three females and three males together. Right. So now let's write down the number of possible ways. Okay. For each of these cases. So for the first case, father invites three females. So that is 5C3. 5C3. Zero males, no? So that is what zero males means 3C0. This one you don't need even to write because that is one, no? Zero females from mother's side is 3C0 and 4C3. Right. Then simplify and get the answer. Here, how much? 5C2, two females and one male. For the mother, one female and two males. Then the next case is 5C1, 3C2, 3C2 again for the mother's side and 4C1. Then the final case 5C0 because 0 females for father's side and 3C3 because 3 males for mother's side, 3C3 for the females and 4C0 for the males. Right. Now let's find these values. 5C3 is what? 10. 3C0 is 1. 10 times 3C0 is again 1. So 10. 4C3 is 4. So 40 possible ways. Then the next one 5C2 is 10 again. 3C1 is 3. 3C1 again 3. So 10 times 3 times 3, 90. 90. Then 4C2 is 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 6. So 90 times 6 is 540 possible ways. Then next one 5C1 is 5. 3C2 is 3. 3C2 again 3. 3 times 3 times 5, 45. 4C1 is 4. So 45 into 5, 4 is 180. Right. Then this one 5C0 is 1. 3C3 is 1. 3C3 is 1. 4C0 is 1. So only one possible way of doing that. Right. So then the total number of ways is just add them together. So you get 45, 45, 80, 760, 761. So that is the answer. 761 ways to invite 6 people with those conditions. Right. Okay. So that is part A of question number 12. Next we will do part B.